This is my Valentine's Day gift for all you lovebirds out there. The flame represents love, and my hands represent the two lovers. If too close together, love suffocates and gets stolen by the limbs. If too far apart, love is unprotected and stolen by the winds. The two lovers must stay at a perfect distance apart. And once they find that balance, they can weather any storm and keep each other warm. Like Khalil Gibran said, let there be spaces in your togetherness, and let the winds of heaven dance between you. For the oak tree and the cypress tree grow not in each other's shadow. Happy Valentine's Day. My name is Sean Buranahiran. Thanks for watching. And stolen by the... That hurt. That hurt, dude. I got burned.